Feeling stressed and tense? Tai Chi is an ancient Chinese practice that combines slow, flowing movements with deep breathing to calm your mind and relax your body. Whether you're dealing with daily stress or just need to unwind, these beginner Tai Chi movements take only a few minutes and require no equipment. Let's learn how to get started today. Step 1. Find your stance. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, knees slightly bent, not locked straight. Keep your weight evenly distributed between both feet. Your arms should hang naturally at your sides with palms facing inward. This foundation position is called the standing meditation posture, and it's where every Tai Chi movement begins. Step 2. Master the rising and falling movement. Slowly raise both arms out to the sides and up to shoulder height as you inhale deeply through your nose. Then exhale as you gently lower your arms back down in a controlled, flowing motion. Repeat this movement 5 to 8 times, synchronizing each breath with the arm movement. This calms your nervous system immediately. Step 3. Practice the wave hands like clouds movement. From your standing position, raise your right arm up to ear level while lowering your left arm to hip level, palms facing inward. Slowly shift your weight to your right foot, then reverse the arm position smoothly. Move back and forth in this gentle, cloud-like pattern for about 1 minute. Focus on smooth, continuous motion rather than speed. Step 4. Complete with the closing movement. Bring both arms up in front of your body to chest height as you inhale, palms facing upward. Then press your palms down slowly as you exhale, returning to your resting position. Hold this final stance for a few deep breaths, feeling the relaxation settle into your body. This closing movement helps ground your energy and completes your practice. Pro tip: the most common mistake beginners make is moving too fast or forcing the movements. Tai Chi is about quality, not speed. Move slowly enough that you can maintain your balance and focus on your breathing throughout. Even 5 minutes of slow, mindful Tai Chi daily will reduce stress more effectively than rushing through a longer session. Ready to master more relaxation techniques? Start learning today at Sikho.ai.